My name is Ulai, and I'm a nutrition educator with Foodwise. This week, we want to celebrate with you Every Kid Healthy Week. So we'll be posting some videos of recipes that we usually make with kids in elementary schools. And today, we're going to be making
smoothie and
smoothies. And these are the ingredients that we need.
Milk, fresas and water, bananas, un vaso, mixer.
You guys ready to start?
Yes.
Yes? Alright, so we got the jar right there and the fruit right there. And it's been in the freezer, so we froze our strawberries and our blueberries, and I think it makes it much easier. But if yours are not frozen, it's okay. Roya? Yeah. You can use that, and then put it on in Ozzy's jar. Okay. You can do one more. Well, it's alright. Okay. You got them in there? Alrighty, we put the banana inside. So you can, there we go. Good job holding it, Oz. Should we put the milk?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Alrighty, we had all the ingredients now. I think that's pretty good. Awesome. So put this one in the sink. Who wants to try a smoothie now?
Me.
Yeah? Alright, so we got a cup right there. We have a cup right here. Who would like some straws?
Me.
Okay. So you guys ready?
Yeah.
We're going to pour some in there. Ooh, how does that look?
Good.
What color is that?
Purple.
Purple. Cool. Ooh. How's it taste, Us?
What?
Good? How's it taste, Raya? Hey! No bubbles! Alrighty, so that was the recipe for today. It was just a simple smoothie. We used the fruit that we had at home. We had some frozen strawberries and frozen blueberries, milk, and a banana. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Hey! No bubbles!